Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you the best app to make your audio bass boosting. Okay, you ever heard of Metro Boomin Want Some More? Dog, this app right here, it is revolutionary. Okay, once you download it, the app is already initialized. And the cool thing is, you're able to use Bluetooth, wired connection, or built-in speaker, and you can Metro Boom it until you're done. Okay, seriously, don't take my word for it. Gusha 256, you're legendary. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Definitely, once you install it, download it, and come back to me and holler about it. Okay, so once you're in the application here, make sure you turn it on. Okay, after you turn it on, put on some music, go in your car or Bluetooth, turn the bass up. Now be careful. Okay, there's a lot of warnings here because these bass can really tear your speakers up, so just know, like I said, be careful. Okay, so do it by decimal. Check this out, then go to 6, then go to 9, then go to 12. Going to 15, I don't know, but do your thing. But this app right here, trust me, I used the app called Power Amp at some point, and Power Amp was 10 out of 10. Okay, but since I don't use Power Amp anymore, I have to use something else. So with this, this controls everything. Power Amp only controls the music player. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. Definitely test it. I have nothing to test right now. Excuse me. But once you check it out, definitely let me know in the comments. All right. So let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. I forgot to tell you, this might be only on Android. Peace.